Going to Ikea.
Ikea.
We're getting stuff for baby girl's closet because we're leaving the doors off the closet, so we just need like organization stuff to keep it looking nice, and we're probably gonna end up with something else because it's Ikea. And we're getting veggie balls because they have the best veggie balls ever here, so we're gonna get a bag of those. It's gonna be so good. We're not gonna eat them today, but yeah.
Sometime.
We pretty much only got what we needed. I can't believe it. That was a successful Ikea trip. We only got like one thing that we didn't think we were gonna get, right?
Yep.
Are you excited to build later?
Yeah, fine with it.
He always built our furniture. Now we're going to eat, and it's gonna be delicious because it's like my favorite place ever. Native foods, yum. Look how good this looks. Oh my God. And ranch, and oh my God. Okay, try it. Dig into your sandwich.
It's firm bread.
Oh, it's so juicy. Is it good? I haven't had this yet, so.
So we're home now. There's cuteness going on. Yeah. And the food was delicious. And we're going to build this IKEA thing for the baby's room. So you go right over there. So that'll be fun. Might enjoy this a little bit longer though.
You say, I want to be in the vlog. Next. Nugget. He just did the cutest meow right before I turned the camera on. He's purring. Dave working hard. Day finished, yay! Good job.
Thanks.
And we're gonna cover the white little boxes we got with a fabric. So they're gonna be cute once we... And that white thing over here is not staying in her closet. That was in our bathroom at our apartment. And we don't need it here because we have enough storage, so we haven't really decided what to do with it or where to put it. But so there's about to be a cabinet guy to come over because we're gonna get our kitchen cabinets painted, and then Dave's mom's coming over and I'm gonna make dinner, and hopefully it's delicious because last time I made this, it was delicious.
Better be good.
Hey, you didn't even like it last time.
I did like it last time.
So I'm working on dinner and dessert. I'm making banana bread. It's in the oven. And it smells delicious. If you could smell it, you would think it smells delicious. And of course, we're waiting on the cabinet guy, and he's running late. And he's gonna now be here like at the same time we were gonna eat dinner with Dave's mom. So now his mom's coming later and I'm not gonna be able to finish cooking, and like we never have plans. And then of course when we do have plans, somebody's gonna be late, and it's annoying. Isn't it?
It is.
Next.
Is it?
Oh, is that the cutest thing ever or what?
We just made milkshakes from Trader Joe's Soy Creamy, which is by far the best soy ice cream. Like by a long shot.
They're like the most delicious milkshakes. They taste like Wendy's Frosties. Like,
yeah, just a
they're
little,
so good.
little Hershey syrup to it, and man, it's just so good.
Look at the bad nugget
What's he doing?
being bad.
Oh. Nugget.
He's looking for noodles.
Oh, that noodle lover. He just loves noodles.
Friends in bed.
Friends, then bed. Sounds like a good night.